Hey guys, Love here. Just wanted to let y'all know that this week is going to be a little bit different compared to other weeks. I'm not going to be able to cash stuff as much, but I would like to make sure that I go over everything as we always do. For Lewis, he brought home $1,144, and I threw in another $100 towards everything. Verizon Fios was supposed to come out last week, but it never did, so I just put it back on here so that we know that we need to accommodate that. Groceries, same thing every single week. Groceries, gas, vape, my allowance. We are not doing lunches this week because we're trying to put more towards mortgage. So we're still getting 50 for our allowance, or either way you want to look at it. Either we get 50 for our lunches or 50 for our allowances. Usually we get 100 each, but this week we are cutting it. For sinking funds, this week we're going to get my nephew's birthday, Mother's Day, lawn care, and home maintenance. We have started our lawn care back on up, so it's going to run us about $65. So we're trying to get that squared away so that when they come back, we can pay them in cash. This week I'll be paying another $10 to my credit card and another $10 to Lewis's student loan. We are not putting nothing towards emergency fund, but I need to, but we're just not there yet. We need to make sure we get mortgage taken care of, and then we'll go from there. So I did not write these over here, so give me just 1 second. Let me write them all over here. All right, so we got all of that squared away. I did not do I did not do my denomination, so we're just gonna kind of wing it. I did not go to the bank. I kind of just pulled this out of what I have here. I pulled some stuff from envelopes that I don't need. So as usual, we're gonna start with our wallet. So nothing's going to go into gas because I put that on my credit card, but we are going to add something to the vape, and we're going to add $40 to vape. And that is all that's going to be going into my wallet. I'm going to do home. So in home maintenance, we are putting $10 into it. Actually, yeah, home maintenance, I had to pull this money out, so we need to start back over on making this, building it back on up. We're going to be putting $10 towards it. So that will give us $20. I had to buy a couple of things for the house that we didn't have cash for, so I put it on my credit card until we can get that squared away. I'm going to take this 20 and put these 5s back. So we still have a couple of things in here I need to pay back, but I also need to put the receipt of the things that I bought. Everything will eventually be paid off from here. I'm just, we bought a house. We had to get that squared away first. All right, home maintenance. We are not putting nothing else towards that. Medical, we're not putting nothing towards that. Yard work. We do need to put $35 towards this. So I'm gonna put 30, 35. So 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. Ugh. Hang on, I'll get this right. 20, 30, 35, 40. I think that's all that's supposed to go in here. I know I have a lot of envelopes that I just don't work with. It's because we don't really have the money just yet, and I'm kind of figuring out a way that works for us. We hit a bad spot, which is okay whenever you're budgeting things. It's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to learn from said mistakes. What you're not allowed to do is give up and make everything just fail. So keep pushing forward and everything will work out. All right, so we're going to see what's left over at the end of this. And then I'm going to distribute it the way it needs to be distributed. All right, so his birthday came and went. So now we're working on my nephew's. And he's got 20 in here, and we're going to be putting 10 to it. So 428 deposit. We're going to be putting 10. That will give him 30. And he needs to get $50. So we got 20, 25, and 30. So he's not far away from this being done for him, and then I can move on over. All right, so that is everything here. And we still have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. He's got 20. Can put another. Wait a minute, that's not right. He's got 30. He's supposed to get 50. We're gonna put another $10 towards Dylan. I think that would be smart. And might put the rest of this. We have 15. I'll put 10 towards lawn care and 7 towards home maintenance. We'll put another 10. 428. Deposit $10. That will give it 40. So we're at 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Whoops, and this one here is just breaking on me. I think it's time for me to get another. I don't know what's the easiest way to put these on. There we go. Alright, let's get back in here. Home maintenance is getting 7. $20, $25, $26, $27. I envy people who can like do this every single week and put hundreds and hundreds and hundreds towards their sinking funds. We're not able to do that. So, you know, we do what we can. Right now we've hit kind of a rough patch, so we're just kind of playing catch up right now. We're gonna put $10 into our yard work. That is okay. And that puts us at 50, which means we only need to come up with $15 more for our yard work. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. That is everything. All right, guys, that's going to be it for our cash stuffing. I really do appreciate y'all sticking around and being very supportive. I know that we can't do the things that a lot of other people here on YouTube can do, but I do try. We've hit a little bit of a rough patch, but we are trying our best to figure out a way to get out of it. So I'm sure things will get better. We've had issues with our dryer breaking down twice, so we had to get fixings for that. We had to replace a dryer. It's just been a lot of stuff, and I guess you can blame it on homeownership, because when you're renting, nothing ever breaks until you've already dropped a bunch of money into a house, and then everything falls apart. So that's where we're at right now. So we're just playing catch up and trying to keep our heads afloat and just keep on pushing forward. I appreciate y'all watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.